Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn to Grow. Nice to have you here again. In the first part of the fraction video series, Introduction to Fractions, we learned what a fraction is and how it is expressed mathematically. Let's quickly look again at the cake example. The cake was divided into 8 pieces. 3 out of 8 pieces. This is called 3/8. The number on the top is the numerator. The number on the bottom is the denominator. And in between is the fraction bar. There are countless possible fractions. Here are a few examples. For more, see the link in the description. In today's session, we'll look at addition and subtraction of fractions. How do we add fractions? Let's look at an example. You drink 1/3 of a water bottle in the morning and another 1/3 of the same bottle in the afternoon. How much did you drink in total? Let's show it with a drawing. First, 1/3 of a bottle is gone. Then another 1/3 is gone. We write this as 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3. We can also write it more explicitly over a fraction bar. The numerators are added above the bar. The denominator stays the same. Key rule: fractions are added by adding the numerators. When the denominators are the same, the denominator stays the same. Here's another example. 3/5 plus 7/5 equals 3 plus 7 over 5 equals 10/5. Let's look at another exercise to practice. Imagine you're playing a game and leveling up your hero. We look at this XP bar divided into 10 sections. Your XP bar is already filled to 4 10s. So we mark 4 sections as full. After completing a quest, you gain another 3 10s XP. We mark these 3 sections as well. The question: how full is your XP bar now? Mathematically, we write 4 10s plus 3 10s equals 4 plus 3 over 10, and that gives us 7 10s. So we get the result: your XP bar is now filled to 7 10s. Congratulations, you have learned how to add fractions. But what about subtracting fractions? So let's take a look how to subtract fractions. Let's look again at your XP bar. It is divided into 10 sections. Completely full would be 10 out of 10. You have already collected 7 10s. We mark this again on the XP bar. To calculate the missing XP, we subtract the collected XP from the total XP. So we write 10 10s minus 7 10s equals 10 minus 7 over 10 equals 3 10s. Just like with addition, we subtract the numerators and the denominator stays the same. Let's look at another practical example. You and a friend are eating pizza. You order one large pizza, cut into 6 slices. But you overestimated your hunger, and after just 1 slice each, you're already full. You had planned to meet Peter and Lucy after dinner anyway, so you take the rest with you. Question now: how many slices of pizza will Peter and Lucy each get if you share fairly? Let's calculate. You ate 2 slices. That means we write 6 minus 2 equals 6 minus 2 over 6, and we get the result 4 6. To share fairly, we need to split the 4 6 between 2 people. The easiest way would be division, but we'll cover that later. For now, let's think of this way. If Peter gets 2 slices, then we can also write 4 6 minus 2 6 equals 4 minus 2 over 6 equals 2 6. That's what Lucy gets. Now we have split the remaining pizza slices into 2 pieces for Lucy and 2 pieces for Peter. Key rule for subtracting fractions. Fractions are subtracted by subtracting the numerators when the denominators are the same. The denominators stay the same. Great job! Today you learned how to add and subtract fractions when the denominators are the same. Next time we will learn how to subtract fractions and add fractions when the denominators are not the same. For more about fractions and math, check the links in the video description. Do you have any questions? What do you think about fractions? Do you have an idea for another fun exercise? Write it in the comments. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That way you will find more videos of my channel more easily.